Hi, I'm Jerry. I'm doing the globalization project on how different virtual technologies affect people's life, such as virtual reality, augmented reality, and mixed reality. To understand how they affect our life, we have to know what they are, such as virtual reality. It is a computer-generated three-dimensional image or environment that can be interacted within a seemingly real or physical way by a person who's using special electronic equipment, such as a helmet or goggle, like this. When a person put it on, they're in another world, a different world, virtual world, and that will be virtual reality. For example, when they play a game, they will be the main character of the game, like this, holding swords, fighting monsters, gaining experiences, learning new skills, find new friends to form a party, challenge boss with a keyboard, with an Xbox, but all by yourself, your own body, your own experience. That is virtual reality. Cool, right? However, that was how you look like in the virtual world. But in the real world, you would probably like doing this. Chopping monsters. Running. Walking. Now, understood virtual reality. Let's start to say about augmented reality. It is a technology that superimposes a computer-generated image on users' view of the real world, and thus providing a composite view. In other words, it will be reality plus digitized information. However, augmented reality is more commonly used in people's daily life, such as vehicle mounted system. GMC has already used the AR technology on its window screen to project a virtual instrument panel, and thus driver does not need to lower his or her head to check the instrument panel because it is right on the window screen, and which increases the security of the driver himself or herself. Also, there are lots of augmented reality technology games or apps on the iPhone that can allow people to play. For example, there was an app called FaceU that was once popular. It can do job like this. The program's facial recognition allows it to capture and add ears, skeletons, other virtual informations like that to user's face, and that will be considered as augmented reality as well. Another typical equivalent of the augmented reality will be considered as Google Glass. It uses microprojector to project virtual images into users' retina, and thus create a composition of the virtual image and real world. Now, finally, mixed reality. Mixed reality is a combination of virtual environment with real environment, where they can both coexist together. In other words, it's augmented reality and virtual reality, but it is more stronger than that. For example, Magic Leap. It is a company name. Magic Leap used to present a video about a whale that jumped out from the gym floor, like from ocean. That is mixed reality. Now we have understand how they work. Let's start to talk about how they will affect people's life. It can affect people's life in many ways, in different careers. For example, a surgery doctor. It helps the surgery doctor to stimulate a surgery before he does a real one. For example, like this. It also helps students who's learning to become a doctor, to help a student to stimulate a fake surgery before he became a real doctor who's going to do the real surgery in front of the patient. He also helped the engineering designer to design a building in his own style. He can just pull out the material he needs from the air and start to form up a building he wants, such as this. Pretty cool, huh? Also pretty convenient. However, for the most of the people in this world, I believe the entertainment is the most important thing for them. They won't be the main character, as what I said before. And so, they use the VR gear to play a game like this. It's realistic, it's amazing, and fantastic. VR gear also helped people to be more conscious about the clothes they bought from the internet, such as from eBay. Lots of people returned the clothes after they bought it because it's probably not the same size that fit for them. But with the VR gear, they could do things like this. To actually wear that clothes and to see how it looks like on their body. In April 1st afternoon, Chinese shopping website Taobao carried out a new way of shopping called Buy Plus. It used virtual technology and allows customers to actually wear the clothes and goes into the shopping mall anywhere, anytime. In China, during the past 1 year, there are 40 A-share companies that step into the VR technology industry. However, the Oculus Rift that were bought by the Facebook CEO Zuckerberg already became the leader of the VR technology industry. According to the data from the Statista.com, there are already 160 million people worldwide who's using the VR technology or VR gear to play a game, to do the business, to do the job. With the rising of the different kind of virtual reality technologies, they will replace the computer and become the future of everything.